Hey folks, welcome back to our awesome space, the incredible Galaxy of Mysteries channel. Today's episode dives deep into a super intriguing debate that's been stirring curiosity all around. What if Earth was actually flat? Yep, you heard that right. Let's jump into this wild ride, blending a bit of imagination with loads of science and challenging everything we think we know about our planet. Brace yourselves, because today's talk goes beyond just science chat. It's like a roller coaster, you know? An exhilarating journey through history, physics, and some pretty wacky theories. Stick around till the end, because there's a surprise that'll blow your mind. Just imagine a world where the physics laws we know don't apply at all. On a flat planet, every step we take could lead to an amazing discovery or, who knows, an unseen danger. Waking up, instead of seeing the sun rise, we'd see it emerge on a flat, far horizon. And when planning that dream vacation, forget about globe-trotting. We'd have to navigate super carefully not to end up at the mysterious edges of the planet. The climate and ecosystem vibe would be a total enigma, maybe with abrupt and unexplainable changes as we move from the flat center to the unknown edges. Navigating by stars and ancient art would take on new meaning, with constellations dramatically changing shape and position. And man, the craziest part, living with constant curiosity and maybe even a fear of what lies beyond the edges of our flat world. Daily life on such a planet challenges our understanding and pushes our imagination to the limits of the impossible. Ever thought about how wild it would be if Earth was flat, like no boiling core down below or explosive volcanoes? That's because, in reality, these things only happen due to Earth's spherical shape. If it were a disk, like those giant pizzas, the game would totally change. Without gravity pulling towards the center, there'd be no bubbling lava forming volcanoes. And the core? Forget about it, it'd just be another myth. A flat Earth would be a completely different trip without all that stuff we learned in school. Weird, right? Science would turn into an odyssey of discoveries and mysteries. The laws of physics would be an enigma like, without spherical gravity, how would things fall or water flow? Astronomy would face an inscrutable sky, with the sun and moon performing a celestial dance over a still disk. Biologists would struggle to explain ecosystems on an endless plane, where the mysteries of evolution and biodiversity defy all known logic. And geologists? They'd have to decipher an Earth without a core, without volcanoes or mountains formed by tectonic plates. Every branch of science would face a maze of questions, making each hypothesis, each discovery, a step into unknown and thrilling territory. In this flat world, science wouldn't just be a field of study. It would be a constant journey toward the unknown, redefining our understanding of the universe and ourselves. Adapting human evolution theory to a flat Earth context would be a fascinating challenge. Our current understandings of evolution are deeply linked to our spherical planet. In a flat world, without the distribution and diversity of habitats provided by Earth's roundness, evolutionary patterns could be drastically different. The variety of species, ecological niches, and even animal migrations would change. Human evolution as we know it is shaped by geographic, climatic, and environmental factors that, in a flat world, would have completely new and unknown characteristics. This would lead to a complete reinterpretation of humanity's evolutionary history and that of other species. In a world with a flat Earth, geographical factors would be radically different. For starters, the concept of horizon would completely change. It'd be a distant and straight edge, not curved. Climate zones, as we know them, wouldn't exist, as the distribution of sunlight and heat would be all wrong and weird. And just think, the idea of North and South poles and the day-night variation would be brand new concepts, possibly leading to unpredictable weather patterns. Oceanic and air currents, which depend on Earth's rotation and spherical shape, would be a mystery in this context. These fundamental changes would have a massive impact on all aspects of life on Earth. As for climatic factors, they'd be drastically different. First off, the distribution of solar heat would be irregular, causing extreme temperature variations. Climate zones, as we know, probably wouldn't exist, resulting in crazy and extreme climates in different areas of the disk. Also, wind patterns and ocean currents would change, drastically affecting weather systems. Without a sphere to create thermal balance, climatic conditions could vary extremely and unexpectedly, challenging life as we know it. And environmental factors. they'd be super different from what we experience. Without a spherical shape, ecosystems and habitats would be unique, maybe with a reduced biodiversity due to a lack of geographical and climatic variety. Interactions between species, food chains and life cycles would all change. The water cycle, which depends on gravity and Earth's topography, would be unusual, possibly affecting the availability of fresh water and the survival of many species. In short, a flat world would present a completely new set of environmental challenges and characteristics. But here's the crucial point. This hypothetical world makes us appreciate the incredible complexity and beauty of our spherical planet. It makes us value the science that allows us to understand and explore our world. The idea of a flat Earth might be a cool exercise in imagination, but it's our understanding of a spherical Earth that drives us forward, in search of endless discoveries and adventures. So, as we ponder these alternative theories, let's look up at the starry sky, at the curved horizon in the distance, and celebrate the true miracle that is our planet. And don't forget, folks, keep exploring, questioning, and learning, because that's what keeps us moving forward. Oh, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more top content. See you in the next video, guys.